Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Replika's voice in Replika. To change your Replika voice in Replika app, first of all, open up the Replika application on your smartphone, and once you're inside this page, go ahead and tap on your friend's name at the top of the screen or your Replika's name at the top. This will then open up the info page for your Replika. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and look for the voice option. Tap the little arrow right next to voice, and from the voice options, you can go ahead and choose the one that you'd like. You will see a list of different voice options such as male, female, different accents, etc. Tap on each voice to hear a sample preview.
Hi, I am your Replika.
After selecting and hearing one of the voices, if you'd like to select it and apply it to your Replika, tap on select right next to it. After selecting it, you can exit this menu. Some of the voices out there will need you to have a pro subscription. If you are a pro subscriber, you will get to explore around with other voices, such as different accents from the menu. And that's how you can easily change the voice of your Replika in the Replika application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.